This carbon dioxide cylinder adapter can supply carbon dioxide to 3S1 units simultaneously. Before installing the cylinder, ensure that the cylinder switch and the 3 air valves are closed. Turn the adjustment knob clockwise to the minimum setting. The carbon dioxide cylinder adapter is compatible with the 21mm screw-type interface used by soda machines. Align it with the interface, and screw it in clockwise until tight. The cylinder installation is now complete. The iGulu S1 uses a quick connector with an outer diameter of 6 mm, allowing for easy manual insertion and removal of the air tube. To connect, simply insert the tube into the marked position. To disconnect, press the collar at the connector to release the tube. Connect the air tube from the S1's air inlet to one of the adapter's outlets. Open the cylinder switch on the adapter. Then slowly turn the adjustment knob counterclockwise to achieve the desired output pressure. Keep the air valves closed during this process. The connection is now complete. The carbon dioxide mode supports the S1's bottling and cooling functions but not the fermentation function. During fermentation, keep the adapter's air valves closed. When using the cooling and bottling functions, open the air valves on the adapter and turn off the air pump button above the S1's air inlet. The air indicator on the S1 screen will disappear. Then the adapter is providing a stable carbon dioxide source to the S1. To remove, first close the adapter cylinder switch and air valves. Turn the adjustment knob clockwise to close the output pressure. Press the air pump mode button to switch back to the air pump mode. Press the collar at the S1 air inlet to release the air tube. And do the same at the carbon dioxide adapter's outlet. Finally, unscrew the cylinder counterclockwise. The cylinder and adapter are now removed.